Welcome, engineers. Today we're exploring the volume to mass interactive calculator, a versatile tool that solves fundamental density-related calculations in engineering applications. This calculator addresses the critical need to convert between mass, volume, and density parameters when designing systems, selecting materials, or analyzing fluid dynamics. Whether you're sizing storage tanks, calculating material requirements, or determining component weights, this tool streamlines your calculations. Let's examine the inputs. First, you'll see the calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate mass from volume and density, calculate volume from mass and density, calculate density from mass and volume, calculate mass with temperature correction, calculate volume change from mass change, and calculate mixture density from components. For today's demonstration, we'll select Calculate Mass from Volume and Density. Below that, you'll find the volume input field where you enter your volume value. Next is the density input field for your material's density in kilograms per cubic meter. The volume unit dropdown offers 5 options: cubic meters, liters, cubic centimeters, cubic feet, and gallons US. Let's work through a practical example. Imagine we're calculating the mass of hydraulic oil in a reservoir. Enter 250 in the volume field. Select liters from the volume unit dropdown. Enter 870 in the density field, representing typical hydraulic oil density. The calculator instantly computes the mass as 217.5 kilograms. This output represents the total mass of fluid in your system, essential for structural load calculations, shipping weight determination, and system design verification. Remember, always verify your unit consistency. Mixing metric and imperial units without proper conversion is a common source of costly errors. Find the link in the description below.